Hello guys, how you guys are doing? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I'm having a great day. Guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can set up your OBS to have the highest performance and the highest quality in your stream. So yeah guys, let's get started with the video. Okay guys, so what you want to do is go to Google and put OBS. And OBS stands for Open Broadcast Software. So what you're gonna do is download the one that is for your operating system. In this case, for me, it's gonna be Windows, but I'm not gonna download it now because I already have it. It's gonna ask you a few things. You just download it and like a normal program, and then afterwards you're gonna have when you open it, you're gonna have this screen. Okay, so I'm not gonna go into scenes and source. I'm just gonna go straight onto settings right here, because what I'm gonna show you guys how to get the best performance out of your Streamlabs OBS so that you can have better quality in your stream. So we're gonna go straight to output. So in output, instead of simple, you're gonna use it in advanced. And in here, the encoder, you're not going to use the X264 because X264, it uses your CPU to encode your video. In this case, you're gonna use your GPU. It's gonna be the other one that is not this one. Usually, if you have an AMD, it's gonna say this, but if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, it's gonna say NVIC, new NVIC or something like that. Okay, so next, everything else it's gonna be the same. The preset, you're just gonna leave it in blank. Quality, balance, the bit rate, you're gonna leave it in constant bit rate CBR. This you're gonna leave it in disable, and your target bit rate, you're gonna put half of how much upload do you have. How do you get that information? Okay, so you go here, you go put speed test. Okay, so with this information that you're gonna acquire here, it's gonna be the information that you are gonna need to know and put the amount of bit rate that you want to tell the OBS you use to send your information. So mine's gonna be 11 megabytes of upload. So I'm not gonna put all 11. I'm just gonna put that amount, 3500, because if you are not affiliated or you're not a partner in Twitch or Facebook or whatever platform that you are using, it is strongly recommended that you use 3500. If you have 5 megabytes per second of upload, you use 2500 or 2000. That's the amount that you are going to use. So I'm going to put 3500, filter data enable, and keyframe interval. It's going to be 2.00, and we hit apply. The other stuff that you are going to do, it's going to be in videos. So you are going to set your canvas and your output resolution to 720. And if your computer support the amount of like putting this to 60 frames, you're gonna put it. If not, don't put it at 60 frames, leave it at 30. Remember guys, we're doing all this to have more performance in your PC. So I strongly recommend that you did this like this, hit apply, and you are gonna definitely have a better quality in your streams. Guys, so that's gonna be for the video of today. So I hope you guys have a great day, night, or whichever hour that you guys are seeing this. So guys, I'm gonna see you later in the next video.